Everyone is so excited about our new giveaway. Enter on YouTube for a chance to win a free cow cuddle with Moo. All you have to do is comment on Saturday's video titled Contest Winner Kaylee. Drawing will be held on February 19th live on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss all of our exciting plans for 2023, like Books in the Barn and school visits with Moo. If you win a cuddle with Moo and you're traveling to come, we have options for camping and Airbnb. So give us a call, email, or text, and we can get you the details. Good luck, everybody.